Okay, let's see. PATTAYA. Can I get revenge on him today? Maybe B3 or Smith-Morra gambit against PATTAYA. Oh no, hang on. He plays that horrible stuff. Knight F6. I haven't got a system against Knight F6. Oh. If I don't want to do that, Bishop D3 is an inferior move. I'll play a deliberately inferior move. Is he going to take the pawn to be a pawn up? Can we get a sort of French defense position or something? At least his knight's not coming to D5. In fact, isn't there E6 here? It takes Queen H5. Does he really want Knight F6? Yes. Okay, that's the question. I don't think that's a brilliant position for him. Oh, poor PATTAYA. Opening blunder. Oh well, I had a quick mate yesterday. Quick mate today. I mean, I shocked him with Bishop D3. Shall I take with the Queen just to be stylish? Okay. Yeah, I didn't want E5. I don't know. E5 is just such a pain. Knight D5. I thought anything. I thought Bishop D3 surprised me. I don't know if this has ever been played before. Bishop D3. I'll have to look this up. Maybe it's interesting, just to annoy the opponent here. Comments or questions? No, I don't know. Nothing to be said about this game. Thanks very much.